Presenting the 2014 Jeep Grand Cherokee Limited. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle's top features include Bluetooth connection, bucket seats, driver illuminated vanity mirror, traction control, fog lamps, heated rear seat, power passenger seat, and cargo shade. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.